Okay. Okay. Suppose I have let's not even go there. Suppose I have this. Lordy, you're like, what? So write this out. 5 minus 2, 3. 2, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5, and 6. Okay? Times x1, x2, and x3. Everybody with me? Equals what? 16, 2, and 7. Is that beautiful? That's A, X, and D. Now, if you want to find the inverse of that matrix, go ahead. Right? If you want to find X equals A inverse D, find the inverse of that. It's easier, it's not easy, but it's easier to find the determinant of that, right? So again, we have 5 minus 2, 3, 2, 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 6. That's A. Determinant A equals 5, yes? 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 Times 3, 6 minus 5 minus negative 2, 2, 4 minus 5, 6, plus 3, 2, 3, 4 minus 5. Okay? Equals 5 times, that's 18 minus 25, that's plus 2 times 12 minus a negative 20, plus 3 times minus 10 minus 12, right, is 5, that's minus 35, yes, that's, what, 64, and that's minus 66 is minus 37. Okay, so negative 37 is A inverse, or A trend, or determinant of A. All right, get that out of there. Determinant of A. Now, I need to have mucho fun, right? So I have A1. I'm going to have 3 of these, right? A1, I'm going to put 16, 2, and 7 in here. And then the minus 2 plus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5, and 6. Now I need the determinant of that. Okay. I need the determinant of that. So the determinant of that is 16 minus 5 minus 5, 6. Minus a negative 2, right? 2, 7, minus 5, and 6, plus 3, 2, 3, 7, minus 5. Good? Are we good? Are we good? Good? Okay. So that's 16 times 18 minus 25 plus 2 times 12 minus a negative 35 plus 3 times minus 10 minus 21. Assuming I didn't screw this up, that's 16 times 7, right? No? I swear. 16 times 7, which is 112, plus 47 times 2, which would be 94, right? And then plus 3 times negative 31 is a minus 93, right? Okay. Unless I screwed that up badly. And you're supposed to be yelling at me right now if I did. Right? That would be 113. Yes? And I must have screwed it up somewhere. Well, I'm not sure I screwed it up somewhere, but I should have screwed it up somewhere. It should be 111. What did I screw up? That's positive, right? And that's 21 and 10 is 31. It's minus 93. It should be, somehow it should be 111. No? 112, 94. What did I do wrong? Oh! All right, 12, 35 is 47. 2, 10, 21, 18, 25. All right, well, we'll leave that for now. And we'll come back. What's a 2? So we got 5, we got 2, we got 4. See, that's why we need to do this in class, right? Right? So the determinant of this guy is 5 times 12 minus a negative 35 minus 16 times 12 minus a negative 20 plus 3 times 14 minus 8. Okay, so that's 5 times 47, which is 235. Yes, minus 16 times 32, which is 512. Plus 3 times, I must have got the sign wrong. Trust me on that last one. It should be minus 111. So I got a sign wrong. We'll go back and fix it. Right? Plus 18. So we have what? 235 minus 512 plus 18 is minus 259. So x2 equals minus 259 over minus 37 is 7. Okay? Yeah, see, that's a negative. 18 minus 7, that's minus 7. That's a negative 112. And that's minus 111. Minus 111 divided by minus 37. Yes? So 111 divided by 37 is 3. Much better. And it's all your fault. None of this is my fault. And if you're saying, why didn't you... I don't write all the little steppies down when I write problems, because I know them all. So I know what the answer is supposed to be. and I just work on getting the answer. So let's do A3. Yes? A3, 5, 2, 4, minus 2, 3, minus 5, 16, 2, and 7. Okay? The determinant of that is 5. And if you just want me to write all this stuff out because I have to, yeah? Here we go. Just a reminder, it's 5 times 3, 2, minus 5, and 7. But you should be able to do this all in your head by now. 2, 4, 2, 7, plus 16 times 2, 4, 3, minus 5. Yes? So the determinant of A3 is 5 times, that's 21 minus a negative 10, plus 2 times 14 minus 8, plus 16 times minus 10 minus 12. All right? So that's 5 times 31, plus 2 times 6, plus 16 times minus 32. All right? So 5 times 31 is 155. 32. 16 times 32 equals a negative 512. So that's 512 negative 32. 155 is 325. And I screwed that up somewhere too. Yes? 21 and 10. Yeah, that's a plus. 5 minus 2. See, 14 minus 8 is 6. Yeah, so how'd you let me do that? 2 times 6 is 32? No. 2 times 6 is 12. 12, I tell you, 12. 12, I tell you. So try 345, and that's still wrong. So what did I do wrong the second time? Minus 10 minus 12 is 16 times 22 is 3. How did I get 512? 3. So again, you're saying, I'm paying you all this money to be in this class. Yes. And the point is that I can look at this problem and tell you that I screwed it up. And then I can go back and figure out why I screwed it up. And if we were sitting in class, you'd be helping me fix it. Okay? So the answer is minus 185. All right? So x3 equals minus 185 over minus 37 is 5. So even including the fact that I screwed that up, I can come back here right? I can come back here, wherever I was. Where did I start this? Come on. I can come back to this, and I know that this is 5, right? And that's 7, and that's 3. And look how easy that was. Okay? Yeah, I made multiplication errors. But I knew that they were multiplication errors, and you will too. If I give you, when I give you a problem like this, and it's like when, not if, when I give you a problem like this on your test, it'll be round numbers. If you get 3.05, you screwed it up. And now you have to go figure out what it was that you got wrong. I always give you nice round whole numbers. 3, 7, okay, 5. That's my job. All right, I'm not going to give you, yeah. So now what? You got problems in your book. There's extra problems posted online. Go work the problem.